live in all oceans. They live alone. There are many kinds of octopuses. Some are big, some are small. Body parts. Octopuses have 8 arms. They can walk with them. Arms have suckers. They grab and hold their food. Octopuses have beaks. They bite their food. Time to hide. Sharks eat octopuses. Whales do too. Octopuses must escape. Octopuses change colors to hide. They look like rocks. They shoot ink. Then they swim away. Whoosh! Octopus facts. Look at the body parts, boys and girls. The beak, the suckers, the arms. Look at the octopus food. Crabs, fish, shrimp. Do you eat crabs, fish, and shrimp? I do. I love it. Goodbye, boys and girls. I am Penelope Puppet. Goodbye.